Hi, I'm Bill Maggs, a Principal Embedded Solutions Engineer with Microchip Technology. I will be your instructor for this class, Introduction to Embedded Linux. So what are we going to be covering today? Let's talk about our agenda and our objectives. First, we'll go over the bootloading process and how Microchip MPUs boot and load the Linux kernel. Next, we're going to use some of the tools Microchip provides to access the underlying hardware and poke around under the hood. We'll have a device tree discussion. What is a device tree? And more importantly, why do we have to have one? Then we will go over some other Linux topics such as networking, UDEV, run levels, some pretty important stuff to understand. We will then use an embedded Python tool called MPIO to play around with the hardware a little bit and show just how to use different peripherals from user space by just using Python. During the course, we will also talk about using our Samba programming tool for actually programming the device fuses and the non-volatile memory on our target. Of course, all through this course, we'll be doing our hands-on labs and demos using our SOM A5D27 SOM EK. To follow along with the labs, you will need a SOM development kit. An SD card will be required that will have the latest demo either downloaded or built. We'll also require a USB micro cable and an Ethernet cable. So let's talk about who this course is intended for and some of the prerequisites you should probably have. Our target audience is engineers who are beginning to work with embedded systems, specifically our family of SAM-A5 or SAM-9 MPUs. It is highly recommended that you have a good basic knowledge of your Linux host and are very comfortable working with the command line interface or CLI. These topics and many more can be learned in the first two Introduction to Linux courses that Microchip offers. Most importantly, our first Linux course will show you how to prep your host with all of the required software and libraries needed for this course.